Hello guys, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to move all apps to your SD card and also how to move unmovable apps to your SD card. Let's we continue to the video. First of all, you must open your setting app. Then find your storage options. Now you can see there is option for change your default storage location. Now change it to your SD card like this image. It is very easy. This is my first method. Let's we continue my second method. This is my second method. Go to your applications, then application manager. Now you can see downloaded apps. Scroll down and select one application. Now you can see there is option for move to SD card. Now click on it. Now your application is moving to SD card. Now you can see my application is successful moved to my external SD card. Let's we see. This is my SD card installed tabs. But some developers are hide this setting from their setting menu. Let's we see how to enable it. Go to your about phone option. Now tap on software info. Now you can see there is a build number. Now click on it. Now you can see this notification, developer mode enabled. Now you can back here and see this developer option. Now click on it, scroll down, then you can find. Now you can see force allow apps on SD card option. Now turn on it, then back. Go to your application. Now click on any application and find storage settings. Then you can move your application onto SD card. Now you can see there is so many applications you can't movable to SD card. So let's see how to move these apps to SD card. You can see this app can't move to SD card. So let's see how to move this app to SD card. Now you need to download APK Editor Pro and App Cloner from this video description. Now open your APK Editor Pro. Select APK from app. Now scroll down and find that application. Go to common edit. Now you can see there is install location. Now select prefer external and save. Now click on remove icon, then uninstall. First of all you must backup your data, then uninstall app. Now click on install. Let's see my application is moved to SD card or not. Go to app info. you can see this my application is automatically moved to my SD card, but some application doesn't support this method. So let's see use app cloner. Open your app cloner. Click on any application from here. Now scroll down, go to storage options. Now turn on install to SD card option. Now tap here. Now your application is creating. Then click on install app. Now let's see my application is successfully installed to my external SD card or not. Go to your current apps, click here, show app info. Now you can see this application is successful moved to my SD card. So thank you all for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all.